Okay, so here's the next piece you want to do. Again, like most things, what you should do is a save in case you need to go back and do any work on this. It will save it locally. We're going to save it locally to the desktop. So I'm going to hit save. And then over here in the left-hand side, you want to hit desktop, and you really want to give it a name. So I'm just going to call it llama sticker, since I know that that's mine, llama.sticker. And we're going to save it on the desktop right here of this local computer. Obviously, remember the number of the computer that you used and hit save. So that's good to always have that done. You're going to do that to export it as well. So the next step is to get a tracing of this. And its size is huge. We're going to change its size eventually. But I'm going to right click it with the right click of the mouse, and I'm going to hit image outline. And so now we've got this. The next thing you want to do is hit welding of contour. That's going to sort of make, and so this is going to automatically trace your design to create what's called a vector cut path so that the sticker cutter, the vinyl cutter, can actually cut your sticker out. And then I usually play with this. You'll see that brings it all the way dark. You don't want to do that. You want to get it, and that's all the way light. Usually what I do is I bring it all the way to dark, and then I bring it back just enough so that I can see my image like so. So all the way dark, bring it back. That's good. And then I'm going to hit this button, extract contour lines. So this will take a moment. There we go. It extracted the contour lines, and I'm going to hit OK. And unfortunately, we have to make it smaller before we can zoom in and fix anything. So if we need to, but most likely you won't need to fix anything. That looks pretty good. And so now what you're going to do is you're going to grab this. That's your contour lines. That's the one you're going to keep. You're going to select this one. You don't need it anymore. So I'm going to hit delete on the keyboard. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the size of this one. What's really important over here in the size and shape menu is that you click this one that says keep aspect. Super important that you keep the aspect. And what we're going to do is I'm going to make the height of this one 6 inches. So that's a good size. And then the width of it is 4 inches. So now that I've done that, that's a good size. I'm going to hit save. And then I'm gonna have you basically share this document with me so that I can cut it out for you. It's just a lot easier. Then have you share with me, but also if in class we can just bring it to the machine and cut it out, we can do that as well. And so it's sort of ready for cutting at this point. It's the right size. We'll probably cut 2 of them. This page isn't the right size, but we have to put it on the cutter to get the right size. So you're sort of ready for cutting. You want to do a save. The next screencast, I'm going to show you how to export it so that I have it as well. Depending on what's faster, I'll either cut it or you will cut it right from your laptop. Okay, so there you go, all ready to go. And that's a good size. We'll make it smaller or bigger, and we'll usually cut out probably 2 of them. So just do copy, Control C, Control V, paste, and just move another one over next to it. But we can do that later on. All right, well done. Let's cut.